How to add Mailchimp subscribers in Notion database items automatically. So in this video, we are going to integrate Mailchimp and Notion in such a way that whenever the subscriber is added in Mailchimp, we are going to automatically add the very same subscriber into the Notion application as well, so that we can create a database of all our subscriber here into the Notion. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Mailchimp's dashboard, and currently I do not have any contact, but as soon as I am going to add any contact here, you will see how the same contact, the same subscriber will be added here into the Notion. And to create this automation, I am going to integrate Mailchimp and Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. Okay, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on sign in. Then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. After reaching here, you'll have to firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name as, basically I have pasted the name as when contact is added in Mailchimp, add contact in Notion as well, and I'll have to correct the spelling of this contact, and contact and subscribers here are same. Okay, simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application, and here according to our use case, whenever the contact or the subscriber is added in Mailchimp application, automatically add the subscriber into the Notion application. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation, and here I am building an automation in between Mailchimp and in between Notion. Okay, so I'm going to select the Notion application later into the action step. So currently I am going to do the setup of Mailchimp only. Okay, so whenever I want that whenever the new subscriber is added into Mailchimp, this automation should trigger. So that is why I have selected this specific trigger event. Okay, now firstly I'm going to connect Mailchimp with the Pabbly Connect, so that firstly we can capture the new subscriber details inside Pabbly Connect, and then with the help of Pabbly Connect only we are going to send the same data to different application or to the Notion application. Okay, so you'll have to follow these instructions one by one, very careful. Okay, so copy this webhook URL, go back to your Mailchimp account, and here under this audience option you will find the all contact section. Click here, after that click on the settings, and then finally click on, basically choose this webhooks option, and here exactly we are going to create a new webhook. All right, so let me wait for that. So click on this create a new webhook URL, and here exactly I am going to paste the same webhook URL which I have received via Pabbly Connect, and among these several options you will have to select that specific option which you would like to perform. In this particular case, I would like to perform that whenever a new subscriber is created, so that is why I will uncheck all these options and I will select only the subscribers. Okay, what type of updates should we send? So it should send subscriber data to Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have specified subscribers here, and here into this only send updates when a change is made, you will make sure that you will select all of the three options. Click on save, and finally the Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect is now connected. Now again come back to Pabbly Connect and you will have to read the instruction. Okay, firstly click on this recapture webhook response button once again, and then read the instructions that it is waiting for the webhook response, and log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record, so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means making of a new subscriber inside Mailchimp. Okay, so this is my Mailchimp's dashboard. I will again go back to my all contacts section, and let us check how many contacts currently we have inside our account. Alright, so here you can see currently I do not have any contacts. So I am going to open this sign up form option, and here I will create a form, and by submitting that particular form I am going to create a subscriber here. Okay. And here I will be clicking on this form builder option, and I have already created a subscriber form, okay, basically a sign up form. Let me show you that form. Okay, so this is the form, this is the form link which I am going to copy right in front of you, and you can see the preview of that form right from here. Okay, so let me open this particular form completely into a different tab, and now what will happen, I am going to make a dummy submission here as a subscriber, and you will see how the same data will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see it is still waiting for the response. Okay, so going back here, and let me first submit the details. So assume that the name of the person is dummy only. Okay, user is the last name, admin@pabblytuts.com is the email address, and here I am adding the 10 digit any random number. Okay, so I have added a random number as well. Gender will be okay, female. All right, so I think I have provided all the details in this form. Clicking on subscribe. All right, so you can see the subscription is confirmed. Basically this form is submitted. Okay, let us check whether the same response is received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so before that I think I should check whether the subscriber has been created inside Mailchimp or not. Well, here you can see the response is received already. Let me first check whether the contact has been created into the Mailchimp or not. And yes, we can see that the same person has been added as a subscriber via our form. And now we have the same details inside our Pabbly Connect's dashboard as well. Okay, so let me even show you the details one by one. Here you can see the same dummy email address, basically the dummy phone number. Here we have the last name, the gender, the full name, and the email address as well. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Mailchimp is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now what will happen, every time the subscriber will be added inside Mailchimp, the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, now after that, what exactly I was about to do is I was about to add these details into the Notion so that I can create a backup of all the subscribers list of my email marketing application into the Notion. Okay, and an action event I will choose this create database item. Okay, so what will happen, the database will be created automatically, and in that database we are going to add the subscribers detail. Okay, and just like we have connected Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect, now we are going to connect Notion with the Pabbly Connect. For that, click on connect with the Notion, and from here you just need to provide the access of the pages which you have created. Okay, because I am already logged in into my Notion application in some different apps, so that is why it is asking me directly for the permission, not for the credentials. Okay, and make sure the page in which you would like to add the subscriber, you should provide the permission for the same. From here, click on allow access, and this is how the authorization will be successful and your Notion application will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see whatever the databases are available inside my Notion application have started visible here. You can see these are the pages, technical issues, PC, view of PCP. Okay, and these are the same data basically visible here also since we are connected. Now here let me show you one more interesting thing. Since I have selected this all subscriber data from this drop down, so whatever the columns we have inside our Notion page, the same columns are, the same values are visible here also, basically the subscriber phone number, the email, and the subscriber name. Okay, here you can see we have the subscriber name, the email, and the phone number. Okay, so this is how, as soon as you are going to select the page from this drop down, this is how these values will be changed with respective to this particular database. Okay, so I am going to fill these details one by one, from where basically from this data which we have just received inside Pabbly Connect from Mailchimp, and I don't even need to copy this data manually and paste it here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and the above data will be visible here in the drop down, and this is how one by one I am going to map the details. And you must be thinking that what is this mapping all about? Okay, so whatever the data I am going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, yes, that is why this mapping plays a major role inside our automation. And this is how this automation is going to take place. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will see how the details will be added automatically. Here you can see the subscriber name, dummy user, the subscriber email, admin@pabblytools.com, and here we have that dummy phone number. Okay, so this is how now onwards, as soon as someone is going to create a subscriber inside our Mailchimp account, the same subscriber will be added into the Notion as well, that too in real time. And currently in this particular case, I have only collected these 3 details of the subscribers, but just in case if you want to collect more details, you can also do the same. It is possible inside Pabbly Connect. And to create this automation, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Simply close Pabbly Connect, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. Simply click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.